Okay, welcome back to Double J Construction Hour. I'm your host, Double J. And what we have for you today is another bathroom renovation. This has been a new tub about 2 years ago, recently installed. There's been some issues with the way the drywall was put on the wall. I'm going to basically have to strip out this whole tub. As you can see, he went right over. That's the original tile, right over the windowsill. So I'm going to have to gut this puppy right out. Not bad for a day's work. And there she is, all stripped out. Now I can put it back together shortly. Okay, so here we go, day 2. What I've added here is a Wonderboard concrete on the outside walls, thin set it and contact it to the concrete. Should be good. Basically, it's going to be like a concrete shower in here. Put some blue on this one. It's been a long day. That's pretty much it. Towel it tomorrow. A lot of work. Okay, so here we are at day 4. I've sloped down that window quite a bit, so anything draining from the shower onto the slope will slope down. I'm at the tiling stage. Finished tiling. On to grouting tomorrow. Very nice.